Europe, Asia, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Africa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, it is your boy Matthews, aka Matthew08 from Zambia here in Moscow. And a lot of people, they ask what are some of the things that you can do here in Moscow, especially in summer. And today we are going to ride on this ferry on the famous Moscow River here in Moscow. I would like to say thank you very much for always coming back to my channel, because your support really means a lot. Let's go and explore Moscow in style, from a different view, from a different angle. If you've been to Moscow and you've rode on this ferry before, drop a comment. How was your experience? What are some of the memories that you've saved? What are some of the memories that you always reminisce on from time to time? Let's go.
Officially, I am welcoming you to the first deck of this ferry, where we are going to enjoy the thrilling, exciting, extravaganza view of Moscow along this river. As you can see here, it is just a small deck where you can even find a small shop or a cafe where you can buy light food, drinks and others. You are going to see some of the famous places that you can find here in Moscow. That's where we are coming from. Unfortunately, my friend from Zambia is late. Yes, that's the unfortunate thing. And that is the speed. But today it is just a special day because I'm doing something that I've never done before in my life. So I always try something new, which is a very good thing. Oh, the other side.
Для того, чтобы прокормить свою семью, обеспечить ее более дешевыми продуктами,
and this is the famous Krimsky mosque. You can see people out there. I used the newest one, but this one, it is very interesting. It is also interesting. I would say both of them are very unique. Even this one is quite unique. I will go on front there and show you. You can even buy something here. I was trying to buy something. I was supposed to go up, but we can't go because today it is a little bit windy. I never expected it. Where are you watching this video from? Drop a comment. Let me put my bag somewhere. Just look at how clean it is. It's just, you know, something that I've been seeing on TV, something that I've just been watching. But today it is my first time of trying this. Откуда вы смотрите? Пишите в комментариях. Тут катаюсь. И вот, посмотрите, там красота. Ну, нормально, нормально пойдет. Да, пойдет вообще. Нормально. На самом деле, не так холодно. Чуть-чуть ветер. Ну, Лена из Индии. Привет, привет. Помню, что была на мой день рождения. О, помню, Лена, помню. Да, и спасибо большое за подарок. Вот. So you can even have a better view of everything here, how just life is moving. Нет, это в Москве. У нас это в Москве, да. И, кстати, один из вас, короче, купил билет для меня, чтобы кататься на этот транспорт. Я хочу сказать спасибо большое за поддержку. Поэтому, если вы тоже хотите поддержать этого канала, у меня все в описании видео, мой реквизит есть в описании. So it's a lot of people just moving. Интересно, where are you watching this video? Drop a comment. And I'm very excited, guys. I'm very happy. I've got a better view of this place. I can almost see everything around me. It is quite an interesting because it's very open, wide open. These are some of the interesting things that you can do here in Moscow when you visit Moscow. Oh, it's Germany. Привет, привет. All the way. This just this. I am trying this for the very first time. Приморский край. Я там был. Приморский край, если что. And people are even taking pictures. It is a very nice place to take a picture from.
Привет с Екатеринбурга.
Хорошо.
Батя, можно сюда, пожалуйста? Можно сфотографироваться? Почему нет? Урал, Екатеринбург.
Хорошо.
Екатеринбург.
И вот.
Я обязана это сделать. Черно-белая фотка.
И это у нас фотограф, короче. И еще тут люди, они сидят, конечно, все очень красиво. Впервые катаюсь, короче. Надо все осторожно. You can even see how beautiful Moscow is from all the sides. Those people there, там еще, wow. I never expected it. It's something that I never expected. Oh, here you use different mode of transport, and this is the famous theater that they have here in Moscow. I'm very, very excited. I can't stop filming. Guys, just like this video, just subscribe, drop a comment. Where are you watching video from? И тут скоро мы увидим, короче, Красный площадь. Мы увидим скоро Красный площадь. We are going to see the famous Red Square from the other side. Если что, пишите откуда. И парад, ну, парад же не разрешают. Но видео, короче, парад технику, можно так сказать. И вот эти все люди, they want to take photos. Wow! Again, Красная площадь. У нас Красная площадь. Я хочу сказать спасибо большое, если вы смотрите, которые купили билет на этот тур. Мне очень приятно, мне очень интересно. Oh, the famous Red Square, Kremlin, better view. Вау, вау. Впервые, все бывает впервые. I can't stop filming. Кстати, я слышал, что завтра на ВДНХ там будет свадьба, традиционная свадьба. Кремлин. It's the star above there. Не слышно? Или слышно? Пишите в комментарии, если слышно или не слышно. I can't just stop filming this place. It's quite good. It's very nice. The famous Kremlin. Moving. Не слышно? Сейчас слышно? Oh, guys, that's where the president of Russia works from. That is the State House, the one that we call State House in Замбия. Теперь слышно? Хорошо, хорошо. Это хорошо, что теперь слышно. Посмотрите. Это, конечно, Крыму, где президент работает. Короче. And on the other side, some historical buildings that you can see. I'm enjoying this video. Спасибо большое. Wow, this place is nice. Flo, Swift Key, привет. I think there are some innovations taking place there. I never knew that this place is so big like this. Like inside there are so many things. Да, стены вообще. Well, we are now moving slowly and slowly. I would like to get inside the Kremlin to see what happens. I can see people there, a lot of people. Probably, when you get the ticket, you can get inside. There's a certain place where you are allowed to get in just to check what is happening and how it looks. There's a good поставить лайк, конечно. And this is how we've moved. The famous Kremlin. This is another place, Moscow River. If you come to Moscow, please do try this. It is about $6. So the cost of riding on this ferry is about $6. Oh, the cathedral from the other side. It is what it is, and from here you can see a lot of things. I have really enjoyed myself just from the beginning of everything. It's something that I never expected. Just wait for more vlogs in summer. Where we are coming from, you can even see the Russian flag. Ну, короче, живем один раз, жизнь коротко, можно так сказать. Мост, вот я всегда это мост вижу. Опа, вот. Как красиво. And it seems like today a lot of people are riding. Сегодня, кажется, очень много народ, потому что тепловато, стало, it is very
Я видела, как там белье вывешивают на окна.
I'm even scared that what if I drop my camera? If I just drop my camera, it's going to be something else. Очень красивое здание, very beautiful building. Riding on the Moscow River in May. I think вот мой день рождения, праздник мой день рождения продолжается. Continues. Алтайский край. Today I'm going to view almost everything that I don't view here. Yes, and I'm very, very delighted. Thank you very much for always coming back to the channel. The ambience, the quietness, the breeze. This is the breeze. Oh, and the flags there for Pabieds. There are some VIP. Спасибо, спасибо, спасибо. Как вам видос? Пишите в комментариях. А мне очень приятно это все посмотреть. Вау. Да. Something memorable that I never anticipated, because I could see people writing on this, and people they search for things like what to do in Moscow. Rather, these are some of the things that you can do in Moscow. I'll be showing you from time to time what are some of the things that you can do here in Moscow. Writing this, it is one of them. It is less than $6. I was thinking that it's quite expensive, not knowing that it is affordable. The greenery there. I'm even streaming on my channel, the Russian one, as we continue falling in love with Moscow city and the atmosphere around it. This is a nice place where you can come with your friends, you can come with your family to just chill and, you know, deflect and get to talk about a lot of things. That's why you can see a lot of people down here. Now it is turning. Was supposed to go to the other side there. Now it is turning. Probably others are going to join from there. This is how it is turning, and people are making sure that they take pictures and videos. Turning point. So if certain people want to exit from here, this is the point where they can exit, but me, I will go back to where I came from. Yeah. What is your, you know, experience traveling with me on this ferry? So other people are exiting from there, then they can continue, but me, I want to go back from where it all started. Yes, they are even exiting now from it. This is Moscow. In Moscow, there are so many things that you can do. There are so many activities that you can do because a lot of people they wonder and ask. The only way you can do to support this channel is just to like and subscribe or share with a friend who is interested to watch content from Russia, to be specific, here in Moscow. And other people there, they are waiting as well. I'm enjoying life. I have tried this but with a different one, the newest one, and that's my fun. Let's look at another massive red sun. A lot of people, and most of the people are just riding on this. They are from another place, not really Moscow, and it is quite famous that there are so many tourists that come to this place each and every time, season to season, in summer, in winter, in spring, in all these seasons. People just come here and enjoy life, take pictures and do other things. And here there are so many companies that offer such kind of services. They are quite a lot, and I used to think that it is quite expensive to come to this place, not knowing that it is very affordable. At the moment, this is the business that is happening. There are so many people riding this. We are slowly getting back to our base. You can even see there the famous Krimsky Most. So that is the guy that I was waiting. He came late. African time. As they say that everything that goes up must surely come down, we are done after riding on the famous Moscow river for almost 1 hour. Otherwise, I've really enjoyed myself. Look at the
Давайте
environment.
вашим друзьям помашем ручкой. Откуда?
Африка покажет, да?
No.
How are you?
Hello, America, Africa.
Yes.
Africa?
Africa.
How are you?
I'm
How are
good.
you?
Thank you. I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So let's go down. Those people are enjoying their whiskey. Where did I even come and okay, is the other side. It is what it is. You can see the view. I've enjoyed each and every moment in this place. Now let's go. How was your experience riding here? Otherwise, I'm very excited. I'm very happy coming here for the very first time. Спасибо. So guys, attack African time.
Just like, hey, at one you will later. Hey, who is in IT? Why is in IT line?
Yeah. Otherwise, thank you very much. I really appreciate I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share with your friends. Like these are some of the interesting activities that you can do here in Moscow, Russia. Всем пока-пока. До свидания. Goodbye. Much love.